Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In this video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Harrods. So let me take you to their website first, which is harrods.com. Now, for the ones who don't know what is Harrods, Harrods is a renowned luxury department store and offers a wide range of products, including fashion, accessories, beauty products, jewelry, home goods, garment food, and much more. The store was founded in 1834 as a small grocery store and quickly expanded to become a prominent retail establishment. So you can come to the website and you could buy any of these stuff. You could buy designer products or buy clothing, jewelry or watches, home furniture, food or drink. It's totally up to you. So why not to make life more convenient and show up on their website? You could definitely do that. But that's not why we are here. We are here to get some money from Harrods. Can we do that? Of course, yes, we can. But we have to join the affiliate program of Harrods to do that. Through the affiliate program, we would be able to promote them to our users, traffic, subscribers, followers. When these people would make the purchase using our tracking links, we would be able to earn commission from Harrods. The question is it really worth it? Do we really is Harrods really worth the efforts of us promoting them? Why not we look at the number to see how much people like them? So globally, they're standing at the rank of 16,653. Now that is something. And in the category of fashion and apparel, they're standing at number 63. They have the traffic of over 3.7 million on monthly basis. So they really are something. People like them. People love them. Look at them. They're in the market for more than 100 years. So you promoting them would be very beneficial for you. Now the question is, how do you join the affiliate program of Harrods? For that, you can scroll down till the very bottom of the page to the footer section. You can click on Become an Affiliate, which would then take you to this page. This is an affiliate program page of Harrods. Now, on this page, you won't be able to find more information except for like the benefits. You can read through it. So they got competitive commission rate, and then you get regular newsletters and then up-to-date tracking links. And then there's a contact information as well, just in case if you want to reach out to them. To join the affiliate program, you can simply click on Join Now. When you do that, it will take you to this registration page. Now, look at it. It says Reckitt Advertising. It no longer says Harrods. And why is that? So there's an explanation. Let me take you to the website of Reckitt Advertising, and then we'll talk more about it. So Reckitt Advertising is one of the top digital marketing companies out there, and they are also one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. Now, what is an affiliate marketing company? They are a third party between brands and affiliate. In order for affiliates to join the affiliate program of many brands out there, they first have to become part of respective affiliate network. So in our case, as an affiliate, if you want to join the affiliate program of Harrods, we have to join Reckitt Advertising as an affiliate first. So to join Reckitt Advertising as an affiliate, you can click on Become a Publisher, or you can just click on Join Now and fill up this form. Doesn't matter. The next question you may be asking that why publisher? Why you don't see affiliate is because in Reckitt Advertising, they call affiliate as publisher and brands as advertisers. So don't get confused. Now, when you click on Become a Publisher, it will take you to the same registration form. Over here, you can fill up these details. Now, I understand filling up the registration form could be a bit complicated. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Reckitt Advertising. Just follow the instructions from there. I'm sure that will help you to create your affiliate account with Reckitt Advertising. Once you have created an account with Reckitt Advertising, or let's assume you already have an account with them, in that case, you can click on Login and you can click on Affiliate Publisher. And sure, since you're an affiliate, you should click on Affiliate Publisher, not Affiliate Advertiser. Once you click here, it will take you to this screen. You can enter your email address and password, and then you can click on Next. When you do that, you will be taken to something called Affiliate Dashboard or Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is the place where you would be able to interact with many brands out there. You would be able to apply to the affiliate program, not just of one brand. Like you could go to programs, go to categories, and explore all the affiliate programs of different brands out there and apply to the affiliate program, get the approval, start promoting them. You would be able to see your performance and all these stuff that you would be able to manage from here. But we are here to find the affiliate program of Harrods. For that, you can type in Harrods on advertiser search functionality and just press enter from your keyboard, which will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see two programs of Harrods. One is just the Harrods, and the other one is Harrods Asia Pacific. So the location for the first one is UK, and the location for the second one is Asia Pacific. But it's what if you don't have traffic from UK or Asia Pacific? It's fine. So long as, because when it comes to Harrods, they don't just ship to UK or Australia, they ship to other countries as well that we will look at later. So depending on your traffic, you could either apply to the this affiliate program or this, or probably both of them. Doesn't matter. Now let's talk about the commission rate, how much they're offering. So you can look at the right hand side and you can see they're providing anywhere between 0 to 5%. So it depends on the category. Right now, like they're providing 0% for gift cards and furniture, 1% for jewelry and watches, 3% for beauty product, and 5% for all the other stuff. And the same case with the Asia Pacific one as well. Now, what if you want to know more about them? You can just click on their name, which will take you to the advertiser information page of Harrods, or advertiser profile page, you may call it, and you can just explore all this information. From the left hand side, you can see the details, the offer information. From links, you would be able to grab the links as well once you get the approval from them. Then you can see coupon commissioning rule and the policies. Now this is very important. You can click on policies and you can read through it, like what you're allowed to do and what you're not allowed to do for all these stuff, because it's very important. What if you get approval, but if you don't follow it, then you may be in trouble of getting declined later on. Then comes the international capability. So when you click on it, you will be able to see all the countries they ship to. So as I say, it doesn't matter. Even you see UK as a location here, but they are shipping to all these countries. So long as you have traffic from any of these countries, it's okay to apply to the affiliate program, get the approval, and start promoting them. Then there is a tracking section as well. You can click and you can explore. Now, let's say you read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. So to apply to the affiliate program of Harrods, you can simply just click on apply. So I'm just going to go with Harrods Asia Pacific. You can click on apply button. When you do, you would be able to see something like this. You can read through it. Make sure you click on terms and conditions and you tick mark this checkbox and click on OK. When you do that, your application, as you can see, you will get this message. Thank you. Your application has been submitted. Now, there's a thing. Depending on your location, like when you create an account with Racket Advertising, you may get a message like, a red message while applying. It would say that your application doesn't meet the criteria. Whenever you get the message like that, you can try with the other. In my case, when I tried with Harrods, I got that error message, so I just went with the Harrods Asia Pacific. So doesn't matter, you can apply to this or this program depending on what possibility you get. So once you have applied to the affiliate program, you would see the status as pending. You can give them around 1 week to 2 weeks of time, depending on the volume of the applications they're getting. They may take anywhere between 1 week to 2 weeks of time. Once you get the approval, you will get a confirmation via email, and then you will be able to find them within the section that is under programs within my advertisers. And not only that, you would be able to create your tracking links by going to the link section and get links. And sure, when you get approval, you can't just take any link from their website and start promoting them. No, that's not how it works. So ensure you go to the links, you get the tracking links and start promoting them through that only. So let's say you started promoting them. How about promoting them on social media accounts? Let's say you have a website, you get approval for the website, but can you promote them on the social media accounts for the website? So that is tricky. So ensure before you promote them on social media, you read the terms and conditions to see if they don't say if they find, if they don't say anything about social media or the terms and conditions, that it's safe to assume and you can promote them. But if you see when you're reading the terms and conditions, and if you see that they say something against it, then to not promote them on social media account. Okay, you started promoting them, you started generating sale. Now, how about the commission? So all the sales that will be getting generated, you will be able to see the performance within reports, reporting section. Now, the payment for the commission, you will get it via Racket Advertising. So Harrods will make the payment to Racket Advertising and Racket Advertising will make the payment to you, but you have to set up the payment method for it. So to set up the payment method on Racket Advertising dashboard, you can go to my account and from here you can click on account info. When you do that, you would be taken to this page. Over here, you can scroll down till the payment settings and you can click on edit. And when you do that, you'll be taken to this page. Over here, you can either set up your payment method as direct deposit, PayPal, or check. So totally depends on you. And when you set up the payment, when you click on, let's say, PayPal, you see the option gets changed. So you can just update the payment method. And when you update it, when you start generating commission, you can expect the payout from Racket Advertising. There's one more thing to be considered. All the commission that will be getting accumulated in your publisher account with Racket Advertising, they will not be able to issue the payment to you unless it exceeds $50. So that's the minimum payment threshold that they follow. So this is how you can find the affiliate program of Harrods, apply to them, get the approval, start promoting them, start earning commission, and get it by Racket Advertising. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you while applying to the affiliate program of Harrods. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.